Happy eyes, hey Roses, back to do another unboxing. I just got this in the mail today. Probably gonna post this same day, just so you have a video. Again, if you watch my last video, you know things are gonna be kind of sporadic. Just because of everything. Trying to get the box. Here's the box, not showing the other side because it has my address. Even though I have had a few of you guys ask me to send me something, which I'm flattered, but that is not necessary. It's like I appreciate the generosity of you guys, but I really don't want to take something from you guys if it's something that is either like too precious to you or stuff that I feel like you guys would use later on. I had someone being like, "I'm gonna give you a bunch of stickers. Like, sure you wouldn't use those later?" This isn't taking nearly as long. It's the other ones. Okay. Two in here, but let me get the album because that's the most important part. Loud tape noises. But I got Everglow's most recent album. Most recent album, Reminiscence. I loved Dun Dun a lot. This is their first mini album. So I guess the other ones are just for like singles. And if you look at the like lenticular thingy, it changes. I don't know if it's gonna do it on camera. It's probably not gonna do it, but anyway. There's a couple things that were trying to come out, and it's these two postcards. Now my bias in Everglow is Shion, so the person that I got this from gave me a Shion postcard, but they also gave me an Honda postcard, so that's really cool. I may trade this, or I may keep it, I don't know yet, but I'm definitely keeping Shion, so that was really cool. She also included two posters. She asked who my bias was. I said Shion. So she gave me this Shion poster, which I believe this one. This one looks like it's from Audio Sarah, but I could be wrong. But yeah, there's Shion there. She's gonna go up on the wall at some point, and then how about this one? Oh, it's a group one. Cool. Actually, I might put this one up. So, a group one as well for this album. That's really cool. I'll let her know that everything arrived safely. I'll just show you guys a few pictures. I'm not gonna like go full in detail with it. Like this is. We are united in our differences. This little postcard thingy. I'm not sure what this is for. I'm gonna have to. Maybe it's for the postcards. Container chart, code. I'm not going to give away the other side of the keyword code, but to me, in the Dun Dun era, for the times that, she was singing, I feel like Aisha in this era. A lot of people are going to say Mia because Mia had the most lines, but I feel like they could have distributed the lines a bit better. It's a group shot. I feel like they could have had better line distribution. Speaking of Aisha, Aisha's actually my record. Herein, still need to watch Produce 48. We have to do that. But yeah, Onda and Aisha are like tied for my record. Speaking of Onda, I like that they were experimental with her hair, but I don't know if I like the orange. It's just not the thing. Xion. I mean, it looks good on her, don't get me wrong. I just was never a fan. It's Mia. There's a YouTuber I watch. He actually got to see the Everglow concert in Atlanta, which I was super jealous about because I really wanted to go to that show. But at the time, I believe it was Mia. This virus hearing had just started, and my mom was like, "You're not gonna leave the house," which I get. That's fine. Xion. For those that don't know, I have a low immune system, so Onda, and then the group shot at the end, followed by the credits and the CDs like this in the back. I'll have to see what this postcard represents, though, because I'm not 100% sure on that. These postcards are not so wide that they won't fit in like a 4-bucket sleeve. That's nice. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys the album that came in. I am expecting, like I mentioned before, I'm expecting To Nature, their poster, and I believe there was one more. Could be wrong about that, but I know To Nature because I still talk with the seller because we're in the similar groups, so I talk to her a lot. But yeah, again, probably going to hang the group one. I will probably put, if I hang Xion, it's probably going to be near my desk. But this group one, first off, it's massive. It's huge. I may ask a friend of mine. He can't afford to get K-pop albums, and so every so often, if I have something that I'm not quite sure I want to keep, I send a message to him, ask if he wants me to send it to him, and then I send it to him. Hey Chris, I know you're watching this video. I know you watch my videos. So, I'll have to ask him, if he wants one, does he want the full group one, or does he want Xion? Probably will want the full group one because I don't believe he's a Xion bias, but I could be wrong. So, I'll message him on Discord in a minute. But with all that being said, hopefully you all enjoyed this unboxing, and I will talk to you guys soon. Another video, another time. Bye, roses. Neon.